Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really easy shake effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab like a few clips here. Let me just turn on main track magnet because I feel like it's going to be easier. I'm just going to also make the clips super short like that. Let me see. Okay, I feel like this is still a little bit too long. There we go. Go to effects and search for a rebound swing. I think it's under nightclub if you can't find it. Add it just like on top of your videos. Put the intensity to, well, like the strength to 10. Let me see if I want it. Okay. Have it till the end of the video and you just copy and paste this many times. And then go on your videos, go to animation and select out and select fade out. But not that much actually. And then you're going to do the same thing with all of your videos. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!